You know what I was thinking? I'm in the mood for some balls. No, you dirty dog, not that kind of balls. Healthy protein balls. I found a recipe out in the wild on how to make some healthy protein balls using 3 healthy ingredients. I haven't made these yet, but we're going to do this together. I'm going to show you how easy this hopefully is and how hopefully good they taste, which you can't go wrong with chocolate and peanut butter. Am I right? Hello, if you don't know who the hell I am, my name is Corinne, and I help show people like you how to make healthy food recipes for healthy mind, healthy body. I'm all about the healthy, man. The channel's called Healthy Foods and Happy Moods. That's what I'm all about. Let's get to making these balls. Hopefully they turn out delicious. Here we go. I grabbed a bowl and my peanut butter powder. Now, I get this from Walmart, but I will leave a link below for the other kind I get off of Amazon. It's delicious. It's just dehydrated peanuts without all the fat. It's freaking awesome. So we need 1 cup of peanut butter powder and then a half a cup of unsweetened applesauce. These cute little cups, I get a 6-pack from Aldi for like less than $3. They're freaking awesome. That's it. I went in with a spatula and just start smooshing all this together till it forms a big-ass blob. I realized the spatula wasn't working the way I wanted to, so I took my clean paw and went in there and smooshed it all together so it formed a blob like that. Now it's time to make the balls. Yes, make the balls. Take little pieces off of that blob and roll them up as big or small as you want to make little balls. So I did that with the entire blob, and then I took some dark chocolate chips, melted them in the microwave in 30-second increments until it looks like that. Now, it's up to you. You can dunk your balls in the chocolate so they're completely covered, or you can do what I'm doing here and just drizzle a little bit on top, just so you have enough of that contrast and a little bit in each bite. Then I'm going a little cray-cray here and topped it off with some flaky salt, just because I like the sweet and salty. Stuck them in the fridge, let them chill, that's it. I put them in my refrigerator for like 10 minutes, but I got impatient. And I wanted the chocolate, and some of them rolled over and the chocolate rolled off, but whatever. I ended up putting them in my freezer for an extra 5 minutes just to firm up because I'm impatient, because they smell amazing, and now we're going to try it. And I hope that my little salts I put on top, you can't go wrong. So technically, it's 4 ingredients. Whatever. Taste test. Okay, well, there's a big duh. Of course it's effing amazing. Chocolate, peanut butter, a little bit of salt on top, so you got the sweet and salty contrast. I give it a 9 out of 10 because for me it's a texture thing. The flavor is bomb diggity all by itself, but when it comes to texture, I think maybe next time I would incorporate maybe a small handful of Rice Krispies. So you got like the crunchy bits, or I would either smash up or chop up some cashews or almonds or something just to give it a little bit of a texture, like a crunchy bit in there. But otherwise, the flavor as is, the chocolate, you can't even taste the applesauce, seriously, at all. It's just like the moisture part to bring all that PB powder together, which is freaking fantastic. So, high protein, healthy, dark chocolate, a little bit of salt on top, protein balls. You want some extra protein balls in your life, man? I got you covered. Check this out and let me know if you do. Check out all the links below in the description because I got a bunch of cool shit down there for you. And if you want me to make something similar or you have another idea for me, you know I love interacting with comments, so let me know down below. And in the meantime, until I see you again, eat clean, live loud, and I will see you in the next video.